Subscribe to RA Solutions by clicking on the subscribe button and clicking on the bell icon to receive notifications. Hello there, welcome to another video by RA Solutions. In this video, what I'm going to be doing is showing you how to remove those annoying ads when you are playing YouTube videos. So one of my favorite YouTubers is a YouTuber called Mr. Beast. Now obviously he's got around about 50 million subscribers, and obviously most of or nearly all of his videos there are ads usually at the start of each of his videos or during his videos. So let me just show you an example of one of his videos. He's a fantastic YouTuber. If you haven't already done so, make sure you subscribe to Mr. Beast. He is absolutely fantastic. One of the reasons I say he's fantastic, he does amazing things. He does a lot for charity. He does lots for people who need good things to happen in their lives. So for example, here's a video, one of his videos, and the first thing you will
do you stream with OBS Studio?
Here's an ad.
With Own Pro you get free access to overlays and alerts.
So you want to
just download our free plugin for OBS Studio.
Straight to the video. You'll obviously
if you push this button, you will get an insanely stupid and random.
Then it will start the video there. Now, obviously, once you're playing a long video, you might find during the video as well, you might find other ads appearing. So what I'm going to do in this video is show you how to prevent those ads appearing in YouTube using Google Chrome and using a Google Chrome extension. So that's the thing I'm going to do. I'm going to show you how to add an ad blocker in Google Chrome. So the first thing you do is find how to add an extension. So I'm going to open up a new tab in Google Chrome. Now in there I'm going to type in Google Chrome extension. Okay, so here we go. Now I want to open up the Google Web Store page, which I've done there like that. Now in there, this will bring up the web store for Google Chrome. Now what I'm going to do, in the search bar here at the top, I'm going to do a search for YouTube. Let's see if I can spell it correctly. Click on enter. Now the first result you get is the one that says Adblock for YouTube. Now I want to add this extension to my Google Chrome browser. So this Adblock for YouTube, that's what I'm adding. So I click on it. It will take me to another page. It will give you a bit of an overview of what that Adblock for YouTube extension does. This blue button here, add to Chrome, I want to click on that. And then in this pop-up box here, I want to click on add extension because I want to add it to my Google Chrome browser. So now that's been added. Here we go. Go to my previous tab, just click on refresh. Now hopefully, let me just double check to see whether that extension has been added. So here on the right side in Google Chrome, click on these 4 dots here, or is it 3 dots? Go down to more tools, go down from this drop down here to extensions. Now what this page does, it shows you which extensions are currently running on my Google Chrome browser. So this ad block for YouTube has been added. Okay, so this slider shows you whether it's enabled or disabled. That will disable that extension. If you move the slider to the right side, it will enable that extension. So at the moment this slider or this extension has been enabled in Google Chrome. Let me change tabs, go back to YouTube, click on refresh again, choose any video, Mr. Beast's video.
I'm about to ask somebody one of the most ridiculous questions ever. Would he rather have $100,000 or one of the most rarest diamonds on the planet?
The video you choose, let's choose.
I am going to spend the next 50 hours alone in solitude.
Ads have now been
by clicking on this video,
whatever video you click on,
we are doing a Lamborghini race, and whichever one of you wins
have been disabled. Okay,
please put your right hand on this cash. Dead serious.
Right, let's just check this one more time. Let me disable this Adblock for YouTube extension and go back onto YouTube again in this tab. Click on refresh.
It's feel-good car buying, all in one place.
Please put your right hand on this cash.
Click on pause, go change my tab again, enable the ad block for YouTube extension, click on refresh.
Please put your right hand on this.
Will hopefully be disabled again.
If you push this button, you will get an insanely stupid and random.
It's been disabled
Dozens of missile silos were built in the 1950s, and they were made.
again. So to remove the extension, or in this case the ad block for YouTube extension, again on the right side, click on the three dots, go down to more tools in Google Chrome, go down to extensions here, and it will bring this extensions page. Just simply click on remove there, and it will ask you, do you want to remove? So you're confirming whether you want to remove it or not. Click on remove, and then that extension has been removed. So that was just a quick and easy video showing you how to prevent ads from showing up on YouTube videos using Google Chrome, using a Google Chrome extension called Adblock for YouTube. I hope this video has helped you. Please like, subscribe and share.